Marijuana is a hot topic in this country. At least 18 states have legalized pot in some form. But there's always someone out there willing to take advantage, and the newest street treat is actually an old-fashioned recipe: candy made out of pot.
Well, there's different forms of it. I mean, there's hard candy, there's taffy, there's gum, and it comes in all different colors and all different flavors.
Weed candy, as it's called on the street, has been popping up in cities like Los Angeles, New York, and Philly. Foods like brownies and cakes have been made for decades, but the latest reincarnation could contain much more than just marijuana. Drug dealers can add ingredients to give it a kick, and that is where the real danger lies.
It just is when they make, weed brownies and other items that contain marijuana. It all depends on the person making it, whether they add things, and that can make it potentially even more dangerous.
The candy comes in all forms and has names that play off of real candy products, like Munchie Way, Green Gummies, and Soda Pot. They look real, but no one would ever know, so law enforcement is giving parents the heads up.
As a good parent, you always just want to make sure you know what your kids are into and make them aware that there are products like these circulating.